Air conditioning installation and replacement in West Valley City, UT. Stay cool with professional air conditioning installation and replacement. At Aegis Heating and Air, we're proud to provide superior air conditioning repair service and complete system installations in West Valley City, UT, and throughout Salt Lake County. Whether you're upgrading an outdated unit or installing a brand new system, our team ensures every job is done with precision and care. We use high-quality equipment designed to deliver energy efficiency, long-lasting performance, and reliable cooling even in the hottest Utah summers. Our experienced technicians guide you through system selection, ensuring you get the perfect fit for your property's size and needs. With a commitment to comfort and customer satisfaction, we make your installation or replacement experience seamless from start to finish. If something can't wait, our 24/7 emergency HVAC repair team is ready to help.